All right, guys, Mike here again. Welcome back to the channel, and we're at the house here in North Carolina, and got me a nice Weber grill. We've been wanting to do some charcoal grilling, so we got the chimney working right now with the paper under there, and the briquettes just kind of smoking. We just started this, so we're just doing some burgers tonight. A little cooking video for you guys. So we're gonna let this sit for about 20-25 minutes, wait till they're all nice and gray white color, and then we can spread them out and start grilling. All right, quick look back. We're about 7 minutes in. You can start seeing we've got good flame coming up, no lighter fluid. We don't want that fuel taste to the burgers. And we're just gonna let it keep going so all these briquettes at the top can get that nice white color that you see. Just use a little bit of paper at the bottom and just let the air and fuel do its work. All right, butcher's blend. Nice cut of beef here. We're doing an 80-20. We've got our rib rack spice rub. It's pretty good, nice peppery, lava salt, some dill in there. And I just like light seasoning on this. Usually I just do a little bit of pepper and salt, and that's about it. All right, got the Weber chilling over here. Got it wide open. You know, for the faster cooks, you want it open underneath and open up top. You can see we've dumped it out kind of almost in the center. I like to keep it on one side of the grill so I have more of just a warm area so they don't overcook. But yeah, that's how you want it to look. And then let's get some burgers on here. All right, smoking quite a bit. Let's check. Right on just under 400, but temp gauge is right over the coal, so it's going to be a little hotter. Let's check those out. Wow, those look good. Got some nice heat going on. We just leave them. Got a rub on top. And we're just going to sit, let them take on that charcoal flavor. All right, guys, we are definitely smoking good here. Look at this thing. Wow. They're looking good. Smoking because we're having them right over the charcoal, but they are looking fantastic. All right, guys, check it out. We got truff aioli, grilled onions, pepper jack, beef. We got mustard. And then we also have some vinaigrette dressing on the lettuce. Looking good. All right, we're gonna dig in.